Okay, I hear something really loud outside, and I'm putting this house coat on because I'm not fully ready to go outside. But I can hear something and I need to see because I know how beautiful it is. When I'm going to look at the birds.
Okay.
You can hear them.
They're off in neighbors' trees.
Hi. No, honey, she goes terrified of those birds. Coda, no. You don't like the birds, do you? How come? How come? So here's my plum tree. Can't really see out of my visual display. Weird. Anyway, can you hear that? It's my garbage bin. It got blown over by the windstorm. That windstorm did our trees good cleaning, eh? Hun? All these trees? The windstorm did a good thing.
Clearing them out?
Yeah, clearing off all the dead brush. That was heavy wind though. There was so much wind that it knocked my little bench over. Talking about a picnic table type. And this one is coming along. I'm going to take inventory on these too. Where are those birds, hun? Wow. Coda, no! No one's ever home here. Except the dog. Looks like these guys have been trying to fix water issues. Oh. Come on, Chico. There they are. I've never seen a birds so loud. Hey, Robin. I need to get my tripod. Come on. That is pretty neat stuff.